Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and today we have Thanksgiving dinner. It's actually the day before, so we got to get ready. Like we do all the years, we do a recap of what we made. So it looks phenomenal, but you don't see the pre-work that we have. So I have, well, before I go show what we have, we've got all 3 kids in the house, which is a rarity. So we'll put a picture of them here, maybe, if they're not shy. We used to make turkey all the time, and the girls came in one day. I was taking the turkey out of a bucket, out of the brine turkey, and it looked like a baby to them, and they swore off turkey that instant. So we haven't had turkey for many, many, many years. Last year we had Uncle Severo come in, and I made this turkey breast and everything else no one ate, but they finished the turkey breast.
It was good.
So we're making that again. So what do we have? We have just a turkey breast. I've got Tony Treacher's roasted garlic injection, and I've got salt to crisp up the skin. So first things first, I'll show you guys this. I've got a Traeger beer can stand, so tomorrow when it's on the smoker, I'll fill it with beer and garlic. But I've got to inject the turkey breast, the chicken breast. So I'm gonna get my injector and fill it up with liquid without making a mess, and just inject everywhere. You see it getting pumpy? See it? Then I'll get my salt, and I'm just gonna go over the skin to try to dry it out, just like we did on our pork belly video, right? Just like we did on our prime rib. Right, so we're just gonna get the salt on here to try to dry the skin out and hopefully have some crispy skin off the smoker tomorrow. So this is gonna go in the refrigerator overnight. I'll re-inject it tomorrow before we put it in the smoker, and you guys will be come along for that journey. Anything to add, Triple M?
No.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving.
See you guys tomorrow. We're back, it's the next day.
So, happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
What you are thankful for?
Oh, that the family's all here. We have our health. We're still here to fight with each other.
Oh, we don't fight. I fight.
We're here to enjoy everyone's company. So the turkey's ready. You guys saw, well, look at the turkey. The salt is all gone. Right, so for our next steps, I have some more injection. I'm gonna inject again, I'm gonna re-inject. I'm gonna cover with honey hog. Triple M tasted it.
Tastes good, not spicy and sweet.
But before I do that, I'm gonna get the throne ready. So take this off real quick. And the throne with beer. Oops. We'll edit that out. And some cloves, some garlic cloves. Right back on its perch. Good? Let me get my injection needle going, because I'm still going to re-inject. Get my injection going. Just re-inject. And you saw yesterday it was getting plump, remember? See how it gets plump? So we'll re-inject this. Dust with our honey hog. nice color. But we're after the flavor, right?
Mm-hmm. And the color too. I don't want something pale.
Of course not. Remember, we also salted it. You know what? We're gonna go a little ham here because I gotta get this side, and I gotta get this side. And then I'm gonna get my probe. I'm gonna go for 165, which I'm guessing is gonna be 2-3 hours. So on the smoker, 250 degrees. I'm gonna baste it every hour with butter. I haven't melted yet, but I'm gonna baste it every hour. So for right now, on to the tea we go. Before I go, what do you think before?
Why are you asking me the question?
You asking me?
Yeah, but tú eres que estás frente a la cámara. I'm not in front of the camera.
What do you think?
For you all. And for you, if you're making the food.
We'll see you guys outside.
And for them, they're watching us.
Yes, so for our subscribers.
Yes.
Levi used to make funny with the gloves, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm out of gloves. So I'm washing my hands a lot more. But on to our tea. See you in a couple hours. We're outside at 2 hours, not 3. So we're an hour early, just an hour early. And the probe says 163, but look how beautiful she looks.
Ooh, look at the color. Y lo que bueno que huele.
And I've been basting with the butter. So every 40 minutes, I'm gonna check with my T-probe, my Instaprobe, and see where we're at. Which is good. I still have a few more to go. It's totally fine. This is actually working out good for us. So this new other probe is not working.
Really?
It's fine.
Well, but then you got more.
Another hour to
More
go.
than one.
Baste, baste, baste. And that's garlic, herb, butter, honey hog, and garlic powder. But it's looking straight fire. We'll go another hour, which is what we wanted, right?
Yeah.
The turkey's done, but so is everything else.
Mm-hmm. It smells delicious.
So, little review. We'll show off the turkey first, because that's the star of the show.
It looks
and the
good.
color is perfect, and the smell is phenomenal. I'll be sure to show some pictures when I'm slicing it and getting juice all over the place.
Yeah.
Mark asked for prosciutto stuffed chicken. Some folks asked for pot roast. We used to make pot roast all the time. Got Alicia's famous mac and cheese.
No, mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes, and we went to
The Capitol Grill.
Capitol Grill.
Ah, the best mashed potatoes ever.
And they were creamy.
So creamy. That was what it makes difference.
So this is Alicia's attempt to the creamy mashed potatoes. Yellow rice, an homage to Didla, who got us hooked on this yellow rice tradition.
I love.
Asparagus with lime zest.
Like
Lemon zest.
Gordon Ramsay
Lemon
style.
zest. Stuffing.
And my famous potato salad.
Potato salad. We'll put in my slicing skills if it's pretty of the turkey breast, but
Mira.
Happy Thanksgiving
Happy Thanksgiving.
from the favorite youngest daughter.
Yeah.
And then who we got?
La Bibi.
La Luna y la Bashasha. Everybody's dressed for Thanksgiving dinner. Yeah.
And Tofu. Tofu's here too, but she's not having clothes.
Oh, la tofu's here. Y la
Yeah.
tofu.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Juicy. Pregúntale.
Is that juicy enough for you? Of the turkey breast, but thank you to all you subscribers. Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you.
So thankful for all of you guys, because we're doing this because of you.
But if you like the video,
Like the video,
comment down below if there's anything you want us to show what we made, except for the stuffing, because that's just box stuffing. And subscribe for more. That said,
a buen tiempo.
Alicia,
A buen tiempo.
see you guys. See you next
Happy
Friday.
Thanksgiving, guys.
Thanksgiving.
¿Quieres que te corte?